I'll be playing a game of Candy Crush today. And hope you hit that subscribe button and that like button, because I'm very low. And comment down how long it will take me to do all this video. Sorry about that. I need to get 16 carrots and 16 apples. I'm actually quite good at this today. Comment down below how good you think I am, please. I'm doing quite good at this today. Wow, I've got a lot there. In fact, I've gone past it. And I think that'll be the end of the video today. So, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed it. And please remember to hit that subscribe button and like it. Bye.